In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check all unread emails in Outlook. If your inbox feels crowded and you only want to focus on the messages you haven't opened yet, Outlook makes that very easy with a built-in filter. This is a quick way to clean up your view and pay attention to the emails that still need action. To begin, open Outlook and go to your inbox. This is important because the filter will apply to the mailbox view you're currently in. So if you want to see all unread emails in your main inbox, make sure you're actually inside the inbox folder before moving on. Once you're there, you should be able to see your regular list of messages, including both read and unread emails mixed together. Next, look for the filter icon near the top of the message list and click it. In Outlook, this control helps you sort or narrow down the emails you're viewing. If your inbox contains a lot of messages, using the filter is much faster than scrolling through everything manually. After you click it, a menu will appear with different ways to organize or limit what you see. From that menu, click on Unread. As soon as you select it, Outlook will update the inbox view and show only the emails that haven't been opened or marked as read. This can be especially helpful if you're returning to your inbox after some time away, or if you just want a simple task-focused view without distractions from older messages you've already seen. At this point, you can go through the unread messages one by one. As you open them, your unread list may shrink automatically depending on your settings because those messages are no longer considered unread. If you don't see a message you expected, double check that it may already have been marked as read earlier. If you want to go back to seeing everything in your inbox later, you can simply return to the same filter menu and switch back to the default view. That way, you can move between a focused unread only view and your full inbox whenever you need to. This is one of the simplest ways to stay organized in Outlook, especially when your inbox is busy and you want to quickly identify what still needs your attention. Once you know where the filter is, it only takes a few seconds to use, and that's how to check all unread emails in Outlook.